Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, your number one source for the latest news on upcoming vehicles. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage. This model is a perfect blend of classic style and modern technology, a car that pays homage to Chevrolet's iconic past while embracing the future with state-of-the-art features. Now, the first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage is its design. It draws heavily on Chevrolet's rich heritage with styling cues reminiscent of classic models like the 1950s Bel Air or the Camaro of the late 60s. The wide front grille, bold chrome accents, and muscular bodylines all scream retro, but with a contemporary twist. The car has been given a sleek and modernized shape, making it more aerodynamic and efficient while still retaining that nostalgic charm. This is a vehicle designed to stand out on the road and turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Chevrolet has packed the Vintage with impressive performance. You'll have a choice between a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an available 3.6-liter V6 for those who want a bit more power. These engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and plenty of torque when you need it. The V6 in particular pushes out around 310 horsepower, providing plenty of grunt for spirited driving. And with Chevrolet's advanced suspension and chassis tuning, the 2025 Vintage delivers a smooth ride whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on some twisty roads. Of course, what truly sets this car apart is how it marries classic looks with cutting-edge technology. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a blend of retro-inspired design and modern comforts. The dashboard features a large, high-resolution digital display seamlessly integrated into the Vintage-style interior. The infotainment system supports the latest in connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging available. You'll also get a premium sound system, ambient lighting, and comfortable leather seats, making the interior a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern luxury. The safety front, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. You'll get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, ensuring peace of mind no matter where you drive. Chevrolet has also included its latest autonomous driving technology, offering partial hands-free driving in certain conditions, making those long road trips more comfortable and less tiring. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Chevrolet Vintage is expected to be positioned as a premium offering with a starting price around $45,000. Given the blend of retro styling, modern performance, and advanced technology, it's a competitive price for a car that offers something truly unique in the market. For car enthusiasts who appreciate the past but don't want to sacrifice modern conveniences, this car is a dream come true. If you're looking for a car that delivers the best of both worlds, timeless design with cutting-edge features, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned to Future Cars Updates for more information and reviews. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest updates on the cars of tomorrow.